Hey there, Polymer Formulators! Ready to unlock the secrets of polymer durability? Join our expert-led online training on mastering environmental stress cracking. Environmental stress cracking is a critical failure mechanism in polymers. Cracks form due to mechanical stress and environmental factors like chemicals, temperature, or UV exposure. Environmental stress cracking can occur at stress levels much lower than a material's tensile strength. Why does this matter to you? Understanding and mitigating environmental stress cracking is essential for developing durable polymers in industries like automotive, medical, and packaging. Gain an in-depth understanding of environmental stress cracking mechanisms at the molecular level. Learn advanced fracture surface analysis techniques using tools like scanning electron microscopy and atomic force microscopy. Pinpoint why and how your materials fail and design solutions to prevent it. Benefit from application-specific solutions for high-performance polymers. Get tailored strategies to enhance environmental stress cracking resistance in automotive, medical, or packaging industries. Learn advanced prevention and mitigation strategies, from material selection to predictive modeling. Create more durable, reliable, and sustainable polymer products. Who should attend this training? If you're a chemical industry professional engaged in polymer application or formulation, this training is for you. R&D chemists, formulators, engineers, technical managers, lab managers, product development teams, you name it. Don't miss out on this expert-led online training to elevate your polymer formulation skills. Register now and get into strategies to minimize environmental stress cracking risks, including material selection, additive optimization, and predictive modeling, allowing you to create more durable, reliable, and sustainable polymer products. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.